Hello and welcome to my studio. My name is Derek, a professional stained glass artist, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing of a new piece of kit. If you make stained glass windows like myself and you post to places like Instagram or Facebook or YouTube, how you light your videos is really going to be helpful in terms of how they come across to your potential audience. You don't want the images to be dark or poorly lit. People can't see what they're looking at. Remember, most people look at social media on their phones, so the images are really quite small. Lighting those images is really important. A type of light that I find really useful, and one that I've just bought from Amazon, is called a ring light. I'll leave links to the specific ring light below this video in the description. These ring lights are really helpful because they're portable. You can change the color of the light from warm light to cool light. It's really important to be able to experiment with the light levels. Everybody's studio environment is different. You might be filming at night or you might be filming in the day. Experiment with the light levels to get it to its best effect. Generally speaking, if you're using a ring light, you don't want the ring light to be directly in front of you unless you want that specific, very fashionable look where you've got the rings in the center of your eye. If you're wearing glasses like myself, seeing the reflection of a ring light in the glasses can be really distracting. So if I am using a ring light, I tend to set it at a 45-degree angle like this one here. When you're making stained glass windows, you might be doing close quarter work on a light table. You want to be able to illuminate your hands as well as the piece of work that you're working on so that your hands don't just appear as silhouettes. Again, a ring light can be really helpful for that. So let's do this quick unboxing and have a look at this particular light. This ring light is a 19-inch diameter light, but they come in a variety of different sizes, all the way up to 21-inch diameter. The larger lights are quite heavy, so make sure that the mount that you're holding the light on is robust enough to take the weight. This light also comes with a variety of different attachments for iPhones and cameras to mount directly inside the light. Whichever ring light you decide to buy, make sure that you can vary the temperature of the light and the intensity to give you maximum flexibility when using it. If you've enjoyed today's video, remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more stained glass tutorials and inspirational videos. Check out this video next as you continue your stained glass journey. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.